My husband and I stumbled upon a new faceless niche, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create these viral videos that gets thousands of views and make the creator hundreds of dollars each and every month. I'm going to show you my favorite tool that's going to help us create these videos with the click of a button. If you're ready, let's get started. Are you ready, babe? Now, the niche that we will be creating videos in is the life lesson and storytelling niche. These videos are filled with emotion, and they always end with a life lesson that will help the viewer in some point in life. So let me show you how. The first step in creating our viral videos is to go over to ChatGPT. Once you're over on ChatGPT, you're going to put in this exact prompt, which I will leave below this video. It says, give me 5 short motivational story ideas in the life lessons and moral values niche. Each idea should be impactful, easy to narrate, and perfect for a short form video content. Once you put that prompt in, it's going to generate 5 story ideas. You can just choose from the 5 which one that you like the best. Once you choose the one that you like the best, you're going to put in a second prompt, once again, in which I will leave below this video. It says, create a narrated story, and then you're going to insert whatever number you want it to create. So we're going to say create a narrated story for number 3 with a maximum of 300 characters. It must end with a strong life lesson. Also include a scene-by-scene breakdown for use with text-to-video software. Then it's going to write us a 300 character story, and it's also going to include the scene-by-scene breakdown so we can create our image to videos using that prompt. Now, the tool that we're going to be using is called Nim AI, and I'm going to actually leave a link below this video so you can get access to discounts, and you can also get access to free credits. Now, once you set up your Nim AI account, you're going to come to an interface that looks something like this. Now, within Nim AI, you can do several different things. If you hover over the create, you can see that you can turn an image into a video. You can create an image from text. You can also create a video from text. You can also upscale images or videos. You can lip sync your character's voice with the image. You can also write prompts. You can add sound. You can restyle the video. You can add keyframes, and you can slow the video down. Now, what we're going to do is click on create. And then once you click on create, we're going to click on image or video. Now, if you already have the images for your scenes, you can just click here on image to video, and then you can upload the image that you already have into their system and turn it into a video. So that's how I'm going to show you how to do it first. So I've already generated an image, and I'm going to put it over here in Nim AI, and we're going to turn it into a video. So you're going to go back over to ChatGPT, and you can just copy that prompt of the scene-by-scene breakdown that we just generated. And then you can choose the size, either a 16:9 if you're doing YouTube, 9:16 if you're doing YouTube or TikTok shorts, and a 1:1 as well. Then here you can also choose which system you want to generate this video with. They have Clean Standard, they have Clean Pro, they have Clean 2.0, they have LTX, and many more. We're going to go with Clean 2.0. Once you put that in, you're just going to hit generate, and it's going to put it into a queue, and it's going to generate the image to video for us. Now, if you want to generate an image directly from Nim AI of one of your scenes, you're just going to come back over to ChatGPT. You're going to copy that scene again, and then you're going to paste it here, and we're going to click on image, and it's going to create an image based on the prompt that you just gave it. Make sure that you have it sized at a 9:16 or whatever size you need, and then you're going to hit generate, and it's going to put it in a cure, and it's going to generate the image for us based off of the text that we just gave it, okay? Now this is the image that it gave us based on the text that we put in for this scene. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, you can just press reuse input and it'll regenerate the image for you. Now, if you want to turn this image into a video, which we're going to need the video to create our motivational videos, you're going to click on image to video, and it's going to bring the prompt in. Of course, you choose whichever platform that you're going to use to generate the video. And then you're going to hit generate, and it's going to turn this still image into a video. So we're just going to hit generate. Now we're going to continue to do the same thing for each scene. We're going to go back over to ChatGPT, and we're going to copy our next scene, and we're going to generate an image for that scene as well. We're going to continue to copy and paste each scene into Nim AI until you have all the images created and converted into a video. Now, once you finish converting all of your images to video, it's time to add a narration. So you're just going to click on the video that you want to add narration to, and then you're going to scroll down, and as you can see, there's options to upscale the video, there's options to lip sync, and there's option to reuse the input. There's options to add sound, and there's the clip editor if you want to edit this clip. We're going to click on lip sync, and once you come down, it says speech source. Under text, you can copy and paste the text here. If you want a sound that you already have, you can just click on sound and upload that sound. Down here is pre-made voices. You can choose a narrated voice here, or you can upload if you already have a voice. Now we're going to go back over to ChatGPT, and we're going to copy our first narrated part of the story, and we're going to paste it here. And then we're going to choose from one of the pre-recorded voices here. And then we're going to scroll down, and it's going to charge us 20 credits. The estimated time is about 4 minutes, but it's going to go a little faster than 4 minutes. And then we're going to hit generate. Now, once you have all of your videos generated with voiceover, it's time to edit. You're going to open the CapCut app, and then you're going to add all of the videos scene by scene into the CapCut app. Once you do that, you're going to start to edit the videos. You can add transition between each videos to make it smooth, and it's that simple.
The living room was silent, except for the flickering of the TV. 17-year-old Eli sat on the edge of the couch, hunched over a sketch pad, drawing quietly. His father walked in. "That's not a man's job," he snapped. "You need to be tougher." Eli didn't reply. He just lowered his head and kept drawing. Years later, Eli left. No goodbye, no tears. One night, his father saw a movie on TV. It told the story of a boy and a father who never believed in him. Later, he found Eli's old sketchbook. Inside.
Now, Nim AI have some very affordable prices. They have a free plan, and it goes all the way up to the $40 plan. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. I can't wait to see you on another video.